Wait a minute, not a shot that C++ has a friend keyword? What? Oh my god, bro, I need to check this. Bro, what happened to this code? They updated the icons. Nah, there's an actual friend keyword in C++. What?
Hello, everybody.
Lucas, there's a keyword in C++ called friend.
Oh, I've heard about it. I have used it actually.
What? What does it even do?
You know how there's like private fields for classes?
Yeah.
So if
that aren't really private, but sure.
I haven't used it that much myself, but I remember it was something to do with that. Basically, you can access those private fields when you make a class of a friend of somebody else or something like that. Yeah.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay. I like the private in C++ classes that aren't private like at all. They're very accessible.
Yeah.
Yep. But the one.
But oh well. Anyways, alright, so we're back, baby. We're gonna continue fixing our config. I don't even know, like, do I even need this? What is this?
I'll be watching these videos, so I'll probably be deafened, but like if you need me for just like anything, if you're having the smallest issue or whatever, feel free to ping me.
Yeah, I will.
Yeah.
What the hell? Okay. I don't think this works because it's. Mhm. So it's easier to do this. That's good. Bro, how the fuck can I learn Sig? How you can learn Sig? Use it. I won't say Sig is well. Okay, yeah, Sig is kind of hard to be honest, but the documentation is pretty good. And also, if you ever need like read the standard library, you always have access to it. Like if you ever have wonder how things are done, you can literally just go to a standard library and see how they do stuff. They usually have like quite easy to follow along and see what you're supposed to do. Another thing is, oh right, AI models are like alright, trying to figure out what things are. So they're like also alright, I would say, but yeah, I would say just how you learn anything really, just use it. Run into problems, try to fix them, run into more problems, try to fix those. And that's how you learn. I'm not a SIG expert, to be honest. I started using SIG like 5 months ago, so probably not the right guy to ask for help about how to learn SIG, but you know. Yeah. Now we're gonna vibe code this damn NeoVim config because I don't know how the fuck Lua works and the NeoVim. And also, I don't want to put every color value individually in. I think that AI can do quite a good job, so I don't have to manage all of that. Hopefully, I have hopes that it can just do that, so I can get back to coding. Let's see. Oh, that's hot. Maybe it's not ready to be drinked yet. Okay, what the fuck is it? Pure black, perfect. I see you already have a pure black configured TM line to do, but it doesn't apply. Your configure is already set up, but it is not pure black. It is like kind of blue, kind of black, but blue. Or is that actually as black as it goes? I don't know if that's gonna change anything. Reloading. I'm just adding more stuff to it. I don't know if it really does anything. Because this is actually as black as I would like to have it. I need the language for malware development, but I think I will switch to Rust. It's easier than Sig. Rust easier than Sig? I wouldn't say. I would say Rust has. Well, fair enough. I haven't used Rust as much, but I would say Rust is like you are not allowed to do anything, kind of, to get it. Like everything has to be precisely like ordered, structured, for anything can run. It's very safe though, but it has so many protection stuff. I don't know. And I also, like, if you're gonna do something like very low level stuff, I still would say C is the best to go with. Like if I were to write something like a kernel or operating system, I would use C and not any other language, to be honest. Like C is just superior and all when it comes to those areas. Now this should be red, but it's not. So that means that this thing doesn't do anything. And if that ain't funny, I don't know what is, you know? Oh my god, there's an animation. Fuck, I hate those. So that means if I were to press V and then G here, and then we do a... Wait, it was easy, like so. And then we save it. Nothing should change. Nothing did change. So that means this thing is irrelevant. It doesn't do anything. Great. Then we actually need to figure out where the fuck it comes from. I could have done this, to be honest. Oh, fuck. What? You can do that? That's crazy. Anyways. We would like to go into... Let's go into latency here. So... Plugins, lazy... Color theme here. So this line at... Where are we? Lazy. There's too much information. I need to fix this. Lazy Lua. We don't. Yeah, but that won't allow for custom. Which is the thing that I want. I'm honestly like said it a lot considering switching to using C again, but Sig has its good stuff. The only thing I hate is the damn pointer casts. But they're alright. Still didn't do anything. I need more languages for ring -3. I don't know how. For ring -3. What? What is a language? Ring -3. What is ring -3? King, bro. Ring 3. I was like, what the fuck? Okay. So, okay. Well then, I guess you don't need, yeah. Then it doesn't really matter what you do. You could do it in Python in that case. You know how you can learn C? C is the easiest language to learn, I'm telling you. It's so damn... Okay, not the easiest, but it's so straightforward and explicit. That you can't, like, it will do exactly what you tell it to do. Like, it's so... it doesn't do anything extra. -3. You mean literally, like, what is ring -3? Wait, what protective ring? Why do you go to this? The management engine is a process with chips. No? I have no idea what you mean by -3. I don't know, this thing is telling me that somehow it has changed. Lazy game docs. Let's see, configuration here. Anything to do with Teams? We need to put... Oh, I don't know if that's any better. It doesn't support... No, configure the theme based on the color scheme. It uses color of your current color scheme. This is enabled by default. To disable, add the option Lua. Don't know if that is any. Add support. EPT, help me out. Read the docs for me. You. Be confusing first because the two layers you must configure global neo in color let's in UI theme ops configuration. So in color scheme, wait, configure color scheme.lua. Okay. Installed. Make sure. Let's instance supports override tables inside HL. But now, where is that function HL coming from? Colors coming from? I don't like that. Runs inside the. Okay, if you're using normal, to override it. Okay, if using completely custom. You know what? I'm just gonna. Bam. Let's see. Feeding AI prompt from one AI to another. It's gonna be crazy what it's gonna cook up. But I don't get it. Like, I feel like this should be enough to get it to work, right? Like, we have this. Bro. I should make it control. Anyways, look at that. It's done. Or it has cooked something. So it replaced it with HL, which is still not like. Okay, but it told that it might not. Okay, do it. Still nothing. Well, maybe it's. I just want a theme. I want to get to coding. I don't want to try to do this color stuff. I just want to change the damn thing once. Just one thing, even the background. If I can get the background color changed once, then I can figure out how to do the rest. But when the background color won't even change, like what? And I'm like, I don't understand. What do I have to disable something else? Like, this is one thing I hate with installing pre-made stuff. Well, then again, you get a lot of stuff that just works, but also like, you get a lot of stuff that you don't know how to disable. Okay. I know it just says that it did it, but there's no... I'm just gonna feed it back this. I don't know. Using options instead of config for theme options, using... Why? Ring 3 explanation is the deepest privilege level on the modern CPU with Intel or AMD PSP, a tiny hidden processor that runs in has a total hardware access and operates even when your computer is off with block security functions, and the RM totally is isolated from your main OS, so you can see its control it off easily. Doesn't allow symbols. Okay, I didn't know you could go like minus layers inside of wait. Ring minus or negative 3. Here's the concept. Okay, okay. Well, that's not very helpful, okay. I didn't know about that. It's interesting. Ring 0 through 9, kernel, device, user, application. And then... let's get negative. On Intel architecture chips, there are 3 more levels. So on Intel, okay. All with the higher level privilege than the operating system kernels. We all call those ring -1 through -3, with ring -1 pronounced ring -1. This privilege of negative rings and ring being the most privileged, thus the ring -3 can access anything in ring -3 through ring 3, and ring 2 can access anything through ring 2 to ring 3. Okay. We cannot access. Okay, now I'll need to emphasize a point. Negative rings are conceptual levels of privilege, not actual process protection rings. Unlike positive rings, which are implemented in hardware with a pair of bits to specify the ring number, current set of bits exists to specify negative ring number. There are bits that specify the state of ring -1, -2. It's actually a separate processor within the processor's chipset. We will briefly discuss how the processor knows it's running a process in a negative ring when we have covered that ring. Each of the negative number rings is reserved for specific use. That assignment is as follows: ring -1 hypervision. Hypervision, yes, hypervisor. Ring -2 system management mode, SMM. Ring -3 management engine, ME. This concept is illustrated in I'm used to saying AI, now this is weird. Negative rings drawing. Again, the way to view these rings is that you can only access outwards to a higher number ring. That is, you can never access inward to a lower number ring. Okay, so, okay. That's so weird seeing the kernel not being the center. Thus the complete view of the ring architecture becomes, okay. That's pretty cool. Now let's take a look at each of the negative rings in more detail. Hypervisor. First we need to clarify the type of hypervisor we're discussing. There are 2 widely recognized type of hypervisors. Type 1 hypervisor, which runs bare metal. Type 2 hypervisor, which are hosted. A Type 1 hypervisor actually has actual control of the computer. It has what boots upon startup. Examples of Type 1 hypervisor include VMware ESXi, Microsoft Hyper-V, and Linux KVM. I need to send this to a few friends. Holy shit, this is weird. Currently, people doesn't give a f top to programming because they say being a doctor is the best job. They teens are insane. Everyone likes bad people and for much seriously. Sifir and uses knives. No, that's crazy. But I mean, it says being is the best job. What? No. It looked like I was crying. Damn, that's crazy. I mean, not being a doctor is not a bad job, not gonna lie. Like, it's pretty good. But what do I know? I'm not a doctor. The following hypervisor always refers to type 1 hypervisor unless explicitly stated otherwise. Okay. Virtualization must be enabled by a firmware setting to enable the bare metal boot of hypervisor. When virtualization is set, it enables the virtual machine extension VMX in the Intel processor. Whenever VMX is enabled, processor runs in. Okay, so that's why there's like this virtualization in boot or BIOS. Root is the mode. VMX root or VMX non-root. VMX root is the mode in which the hypervisor runs. In VMX root, the hypervisor has access to special virtualization instruction unable to any other process. The hypervisor runs with DPL set to 0, but the hypervisor running in VMX root mode is isolated from virtualization. Guest operating system whose kernel runs in VMX non-root mode with its virtual DPL also set to 0. Alright, see ya later, Sedar. I don't know how to pronounce that, but thank you for stopping by. That's okay. Well, we'll see. I will ask. I need to get this thing going, but so weird. Wait, what? Ah. I mean, it should do something, right? Like, if I change this to FF, it should be, like, red. But I don't see anything. Let's see, we changed theme. In color scheme, to change the laser beam being created in edit file, plugins color in your config directory in this file defined as the plugin and use configure laser beam to load it. Maybe I should try that. Okay, we're gonna try this. Fuck that. Can I create a... I will try this one more time. Nope. Let's see. I think it will be good enough to actually accomplish doing this. Let's see. Steam seems to... Yeah, color scheme Lua. Okay. That I trust that it will be able to do this, and I don't have to. Well, I could actually just have done that myself. Oh wow. Let's see. Still nothing. Yeah. Nothing. That damn thing just won't work. Let's see. We do have color scheme, Lua, lazy beam, whatever that, and then don't know what that means. But I don't need to example of changing to... I still need to load it, right? I think so. What is the search for text? Cannot find where's J. Letter is G. Okay. B. These are not... It's not even called anywhere. Oh, dude. I don't understand. I just want the simple theme. Fuck. So good at pressing that X. What's this with? Okay, let's see. Just if I can get install any lit theme, it would be great. You have to look inside of documentation, which explains the general concept of changing theme. Great, I think I was already there, yep. Edit your Lua file, or create if you don't already have one in new and configured. For the Nord theme, you can ask, oh, it should look something like, for the theme you ask about. Okay, let's just, I'm just gonna take this, you know, and I'm gonna see how horrendous, hopefully it will turn out to be. Nothing changed. But now, instead what we'll do, we'll go to config. Lua module not found. What? It's fine, it's fine. We go to color scheme, yeah, that Lua. And then I'm just gonna how do you select that? Fuck it, I just do it like this. Bam, bam, oh, bam, bam. And that should apply a theme, but it doesn't. Why? That should apply the theme, but I don't get a single theme. Like why? Why can I not just? Why can I not just load the damn theme? Is it? Override new error entering set quality. No, I don't get any errors. It just doesn't do any new. The fish. I just want the custom theme. What the fuck? Just give me a custom theme. This is so annoying. I think it did apply now. That's different, right? So if I do this, I save again. That's fine. And I save this. You don't need to worry about that. Okay, well something is changing. This is different. I'm not hallucinating, I think. Yeah, this is different. Okay, good. Why can I not just quit out? Okay. Wait, how do I redo? That's okay. I'm gonna take this, right? I'm gonna go to the top. I'm gonna do visual. Boom. Visual. Meant to fuck. Like so. I'm gonna save that. And then we should be able now, if I open up, this should look. Yes, good. Okay, I'm just stupid, that was the thing. Let's see. Okay. Let's hope for the best and see how it goes, right? Okay. Okay, it's awful, but it's there. Okay, we can this we can work with. QA. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, good, good, good. We're gonna go to GitHub real quick, and I'm gonna take, because I don't have it anymore. We're gonna see. Now we're getting some. Maybe I'm just super stupid, you know. That's a classic. We're gonna go to Lua. Gonna go inside of the. I think it was used to be config. Of course it wasn't. It was plugins. Yeah. This. All right. Oh, nice. They have prevented people from doing that. Okay, so do we have QA? How changing themes? Color. How can I force reload? Nah, wow. Close and open. See changes. Maybe I've just been stupid all this time, you know? Lazy clear reload. Lazy reload should do the trick. I think we'll see. Actually, I'm already in here, so we can try it on this one, right? Or maybe I can. Okay, so we are here. So lazy reload. What? Ah, request at least one plugin. Okay, lazy reload color. Well, that's no good. Okay. This is back to the. Oh god, no, that's awful. What do you do, my? Ah, okay. Okay. Ah, back on. Lazy load the no, I'm using cat something. Lazy reload cat cappuccino. Don't think it's no. Yeah, us. Lua lazy vim update. Lua lazy vim punkt. Punkt. I'm starting to speak Swedish. Dot. Hey. Update. I'm just gonna try it. I don't know. That didn't seem to work too well. At least this is all right. At least, you know. Okay, we're somewhere. I don't know where we are, but we are somewhere. This I can work with. I think. Let's see. I'm gonna close. And we're gonna go here. Lazy beam refresh beam. It has to be somebody. How to change the default? No. We can use the laser which triggers reload plugins applies to configure theme. This. No. This is what to preview. Change. See. Where did it work well for the menu? Lean at the bottom looks odd. I'm wondering if there's. If you install the color theme. You're thinking of. Okay. Wait, can I just do this also in here? So Lua, just wanna try it. Lua, wire. See. Okay, I'm not gonna type it. I'm just gonna do this. That doesn't look too good. Error Lua share. Oh, that's definitely gonna be error. Well, that sucks. Like easily. Your reading list, new record changed, no longer exists. Colors theme, your theme. Okay, so it is just color theme and then my theme. Well, my theme seems to be some... What's that? Ah, no, I closed the wrong thing. Let's see, what are they doing? They're doing... Auto function color theme refreshed. Ah. But that's... Okay. I mean, we can try it. So, let's see. Well, I don't see shit, bro. Nor did it happen anything. Very nice. So, this didn't change anything. Or background. Let's see if I change this one to FF. Well, that seems to have changed. Ah! Yeah, so it's not updating. You know, I tell it to... Oh my god. Why won't you just... Damn, that was hard. Okay, what is the theme I'm using? That. Color theme. Okay, so I have to type it. That's horrendous. But it's good that it works, you know? I don't mind it too much, but... Okay, it seems like that didn't happen. So it was this one. It was right all along. I don't know. Okay, now it won't change back. Fuck. What? For real? You're kidding. That's a bit of a... what we like to call a yikes. Because that's not something you want to look at. But it didn't change. That's just syntax highlight. Operator, no. Function. I mean, it's kind of funny. Because it's literally not what I... Is it just slow? Oh no, that's I don't know what to do now. Because it won't go away. I swear to God. No wait, that's just the foreground also. This is the pure background. Why? Oh my God. Still nothing. It should update now. Okay, it's slow. Great! It did not work. But running the command color scheme theme Vulkan. Hmm. Oh yeah. Let's see. I don't know if that will actually work though. I think it should be better to... What the fuck? Config team. Why are you gonna create a new file? New auto refresh should work. Team refresh adds that giving lazy enough time to process. Alternative, if you still doesn't, so had a longer delay or create a manual command. Manual command could work. But I don't think we need a separate file for it. We're gonna see. Let's see. Why is it so damn slow to like actually apply the... Or did I have another typo somewhere over here? What the fuck? It cannot be that slow, like... Real? I'm pretty sure I got it all right now, that this should be correct. It just doesn't apply the changes that I... It just completely disregards them.
Yo, yo, yo.
Yo, I'm struggling to just update these damn themes, bro.
Oh, wait, have you even written any code?
I have written Lua.
Ah, okay. Well, I'm just coming in here to say that I've watched 1.5 hours of this video, and I am now terrified.
Mhm.
I don't even know what half these words mean at this point. It's not programming anymore. I don't know what this is. It's like some philosophy. Like, how is the language how is C++ so complex that there's literally like compile time stuff evolved? It wasn't like a planned feature. Like, how do you end up with that? Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm happy with Sig. I'll never ever write C++ anymore.
C++ is... it's let's just say it's tried to cater to everybody and therefore it caters to no one.
No, it's more like try to cater to no one and everyone came anyways. Because like the naming is just unimaginably bad. Like, I don't know how you do that. Like, what is a mono state? It's just void.
Mono state? What the fuck?
S3 mono state, and there's just
I
like,
think you mean namaste.
yeah. I don't think so. Also, like there's so many keywords. There's like so much shit going on, and like doing simple stuff is just horrendous. But like if you do just like, I don't know, a plus, somewhere, well, sorry, now you have like allocated 100 gigabytes of heap.
Oh yeah, operator overloading. Yeah, be careful with
Yeah, but it's
those.
also like so. Yeah, and templates are just so incredibly bad, and like, yeah, I don't even know what's going on, man. It's such a bad language. Everything is so badly designed. No, like anyone that says C++ is a good language does not deserve to write code. Like they should go do something else. Like this is the worst shit I've ever seen. Like I've seen some rough code, man, but damn, like the standard library code is also just so bad.
Oh, it's
Like
missing a hashtag.
how do you even do that? Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, I'll be gone for like half an hour because I gotta finish this video, you know.
Yeah, do that.
Yeah.
What the fuck happened here? Yeah, it's reading the same file now. I shouldn't be messing with the file, bro. Fixed. Ah, okay. So it was literally that. Let's see. Yeah, it seems like that was the issue. Ah, come on. I just want to see simple things working. Letters for this. Okay, let's see. Take to the refresh. TR. Team reload. I don't see it's reloading. I swear to fucking God. Why won't it just apply the changes that I do? That's not black. I want it to just be... Ah. Or do we also have to say that I want it to be... No, then it will be transparent. We're gonna do red on everything now. It was working just a moment ago. Ah, look, now it applied a few of those changes. Not all of them. Can you just... Fuck. No? I need to get used to this. We're gonna get this, right? Okay, this is what I want, though. It's just annoying that I can't see them be applied in real time.
Wait, I'm just back to mention something that Java is actually a good language compared to C++.
Ah, well, that's, you see,
It's
that's...
not debatable.
It is. Java
No, no,
enforces
no,
you
no, no.
on only doing pure object oriented. You can't. There's no option. At least in C++, you can choose to use pure C. If, well, not pure C entirely,
Well,
but close to pure C.
sure, but also no, because if you want to do anything in C++, you like anything that is not like just a C library, you're just forced to use classes anyways.
Well, yeah, but just you can just use C libraries inside of C++, you know, and you're fine.
Yeah, well then there's no point using that garbage.
Well,
Then you can just use C. Yeah? You see my point?
yes.
Java
But
is actually a better language. Like
no,
Java is better default.
no.
Like it's OOP. Sure, OOP isn't good, but
No,
at least Java's OOP is like it's OOP. You know, it's not something
no,
else.
no. And another thing you're missing is the fact that, how do I put it? Performance. C++ does allow for performance. Java doesn't. And also another thing, which is
Java is
really
also pretty fast.
garbage
Java is like very
collecting.
fast. That's true. Okay, that's fair. That's
And
fair.
another thing,
Fair.
if
Use D.
because every dem object inside of Java
Oh yeah, it's like huge. Yeah.
Yes, when you just create one class, it's all we're
Yes.
talking. I don't know how many bytes, but like I think it's almost 1,000. I don't know, maybe not that much, but
You know,
it's
I'd rather pick like 5 trillion bytes for a class rather than having whatever C++ is having, because it's not, it's like functional templating for like classes, and so stupid. And Java doesn't have operator overloading either, so
well, yes, that's true.
yeah. Not gonna lie, if you want to use OOP, use D. That's the solution. It's like C++ if it was actually usable.
If you want to use object oriented, just don't. To just use function pointer in the int
Yeah,
oriented.
yes, exactly. Nah, just use Sig, you know. Anyway, yeah, you should always use Sig, but like, see. Yeah, I gotta go watch this video now.
Yeah, I still need to figure out how to do this because I want a live update when I change the theme in new
No, too bad. Anyways, see.
Or like at least a reload to work. Like, I don't remember what was the command I even ran. Scheme color. Now, color scheme. So this, right? And then if I just decide to... Okay, so let's see. Okay, now we can start to try to get it to... What? Wrong. Right, I don't have a shortcut for this. I mean, it's almost there. You and strings orange. Orage. Yes. Orange and at import yellow brown. Actually, it's beige, but we'll see. I will just tell it to do something. You can change the color of a tab line. That's crazy. I wonder how specific can you get with these things. That this is quite interesting. I'm just gonna let's see. So there is a string keyword something. I saw it somewhere. Okay, searching pattern string glob. We should probably remove the old things because they're not needed anymore. Here a string is. Ah. But I don't in syntax. I didn't see it actually being. Okay, it actually did it. That's awesome. Maybe a bit too much orange. But it's okay. Since when did it... Oh my god. Can I find comments? Okay, here. Keyword. Add keyword. Okay, let's see. Let's see. What does it do? Does it work? Does it not work? We will find out. I have no idea if it's gonna work. Okay, let's see. So now it should be a TR. I don't see any changes though.
I'm back. Wait. I gotta say there's a function called std get money.
What does it do?
I don't know. Yeah, it's something. And there's also just std laundry. Like they're implementing like an entire house into the standard library or something. Like the C++ one. The SIG one would never do that. It would be like std IO and then laundry, you know. Okay, anyways, see you later.
Alright, see you later.
Yes.
I actually just need color wheel. Why is my internet so fast? Actually, we can just zoom in it. Okay, how can I get like a... that kind of color? Did it freeze? Ah, it's just me being bad. Alright, we're gonna... foreground, this is for a comment. It is. I preferred this, I don't know why it changed. TR. Okay. Color scheme. This is the... I don't know, ticket update. Maybe, oh, but it's a to-do, it's not a normal comment. La 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 la. Let's see. To-do. There is nothing to do with to-do. That's... Okay, yeah, I should have probably paid attention to that. I didn't. No, it's gonna do something completely different than I told it to do. Why? Get the common colors to make consistent add some. I think it got it wrong. But sure, we can. That color is not too bad. I will just allow it. I'm out of water. I'm out of tea. I'm out of everything. Okay, let's see. Documentation string. Okay. So it calls that string documentation. Good to know. Good to know. And okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. Hooray. Actually, you don't save changes. No, you don't have to. Source, renderer. I don't know why I'm going here, but it still doesn't seem to have updated it. Well, anyways, there was something called documentation. Comment documentation here. Comment documentation. And then to do foreground, background, hold through. That's weird. Doesn't seem to have done anything. That was pissing me off. String documentation. Well, I guess it's less important. Okay. When doing stuff, inspect. Okay, let's try that. So if I go and then just type inspect. Oh, come on, I wanted to read that. Type. Tick type. That. Let's see. So I should be able to just foreground equals And then I would like a greenish. I will go with that. SO% ruby. What? SO%. Well, that doesn't look good at all. For heaven's sake. How do I? I think that does it. Color scheme. Not word. No range allowed. Okay, let's gonna QA. Oh, that's not good. Let's do just that type. Oh, was it because there was an extra space that it wasn't good? They're duplicating the C's. Okay. Let's see. There's apparently a type already here. Here it is. Bold, true. Yeah, that's true. What? Okay, I need to do some more key binding stuff. What? How is that? Whatever. I don't know why I got wrong for that. We can just take this again. Put it in here. Okay. Now, that's a bit too dark, to be honest. Damn, it's still typing out. Have I changed the name somehow? I don't remember what the fuck. I'm just gonna... Why your real workflow wasn't where you cut through ops inside a plugin spec before your files. So Hmm. Really? Do not provide it. Bruh. What the fuck? Let me just save. Okay, reloading cappuccino. Good, good, good. So now, if I go here and I do a save that, you should be able to do a theme reload. I don't know. Something got updated, but so yeah, maybe. I think this one works with. It doesn't. Okay. Okay, well, that is going, okay. I should probably do a push while I still have something that is kind of working. Right, I forgot. I need to actually restart the Steam and then I'll see the changes. Nice. Perfect. That's fine. Don't really care. But I can do this and then I could go That's how we spell beginning. Let's do an inspect of this one in the meantime. Inspect. So this one is a sig type. It's a type, but yet it's yellow somehow. I don't understand. How can it be yellow? It shouldn't be. Oh, we'll take that one in a bit. Inspect this one, and this is just a type built-in sig. What? Okay. I will do sig specific. And let's see. This is what it will be. Don't worry about it. It's fine. I'm just gonna take something from here and then paste that. Delete that. Gonna go. Can I go like so? Cut that. Place it there. Oh wow. And yeah. Let's save that real quick. I don't think it did change. Modify is of.
Yo, Lucas.
Tell me.
Yeah, watch my stream.
Just a moment. I'm trying to figure out why shit won't get updated.
Right. Yeah, this video had something that's very relatable, I would say.
Yeah, we'll just ask this. Bring me it's blue. Okay, now I can see. What do you want to show me?
It's just like 10 seconds from this video.
Okay, I'll be
Are you
sharing.
watching?
I'm sharing your thing. Wait, it's not there.
Yeah,
It's not. It's just a gray window,
not there.
bro. Do you have? Is this? What is this?
Is this better?
It's still a gray window. Oh, now I can see. Show us
Okay.
what you got.
Web dev in only a few
Wait.
months.
Pause. I can barely hear anything. Okay, play. Well, now there's no audio.
Fully functioning web apps.
Okay, now I can hear.
You can actually show to people, while at the same time you have time to go out for drinks with your friends and have hobbies and socialize and find a partner and start a family if you want. Or you can spend like 2.5 years on C++, and all you have is a triangle in Vulkan.
Yeah, that's all I want to show.
But you don't understand. Hello, Rabina Dev. You don't understand, bro. You don't understand the thing. All right.
The thing.
You don't understand.
All right.
Yeah, you don't understand. All right.
Yeah. Anyways, I gotta go watch the last 10 minutes of this video, and yes, I've almost watched a 2-hour-long video about just C++. Yeah. Anyways, see you in a bit.
Alright, see you in a bit. Let me try something type. If I change this one to just be FF, right? Save this real quick. That's not how we do it. Save. There go. A lot of code. Yeah, don't worry about it. I'm just trying to. Okay, so it does seem to work, this live update. That's great. But for some reason I cannot... Wait. Wait. Did it actually work? Wait, let me just... Okay. Ain't no way it did work. And I just... It actually did work. What did I do? What is key binding or redo? Let's put that back on. Redo is Control R. That's such a weird key binding. I don't think so. That did not work. I think it's something else. Ah! Oh, now it's lost. Now it definitely. Okay, let's see. I think it probably will tell me what it did. It did this. Oh, did I have a repetitive? I probably had a repetitive. Wait. That's so weird because... Wait, let me see. What happens if I do FF? Alright. Nothing. Okay, I'm just gonna... do that, save this. Bro. Still nothing. You... I don't understand. I literally just put it back and it was perfect, and then I fucked it up, and now it's working again, and then I broke it, and you can see you already have the sig primitive. Wait, so is it just not updating? It should be updating if I do a change. Bro, what the fuck? I swear to God, wait. Type. If I change type to be, let's say, the FF, right? And then I go here and I do the refresh. So it does refresh, but it just, what if I switch order on these two? How the fuck do I uncomment? I uncomment by going GCC. It should be GCC. I was just super slow, probably. Now, let's see. Fuck me. Okay, so it seems like this type... What, do I have to do it in this order? Like... Let's see, yank that. Is there a priority? I don't know how to spell the hierarchy, so that's why I say priority. It seems like... Oh no. Because it does update, because most of these are types. I think we could change a few things. First of all, we don't need a time at the bottom, and we could replace that with just displaying types, probably permanently. That would be really nice. Let's see, what is it doing? Okay, but now that's the thing, I don't want it to do that, because now it's gonna, you're right, Yes, the primitive types in Sig would be blue, but normal types be green. Starting. Yeah. Bah. I'm just trying to mimic my damn VS Code theme, but let's see what it does. Oh, built-in types including Sig. Okay, I will just let it slide this time, and let's see how crazy it goes. Right? Like, worst case scenario, it's just awful. Well, that's just awful. Types are now yellow. So now you're gonna remove all of the types. Well, that's gonna solve a lot of issues. Yeah, no, it's not. It's just gonna make everything just worse. Oh, well, I don't know for sure that it actually applied it. I didn't. Wait. I mean, it should update it live. That's what I'm trying to. It has worked so far, so I would be surprised if it didn't continue on with that. Okay, let's see. Nothing. I swear to God, if I open it up and it now has, we don't want to keep our change. Render, that's sig. Okay, thank God. So it's just fucking. It's just fucking with me. Why? 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 Why can't you just be normal? I didn't mean to close it. Fuck. It's okay. Quality. Like, that's almost what I want. Oh, bro. Okay. And you. Right. I see. Time. Like this I like. We should also make namespaces. So, but namespaces and types, it's kind of funny because both of them are status line. So is there just a default, which is now just overrides? Namespaces and types are like kind of one-on-one. So it's not really good for me to. Well, maybe you can be explicit about it still in this thing. We'll see. And let's see. Sure. I'm just everything. Yes. Very nice. Very nice. Still there. I don't want it. I want it away. Where's it coming from anyways? Okay, wait, actually. Let me just should Lua. We can RM the B. I don't care about those anymore. And we can plugins, and I can RM the example Lua. I don't need that anymore. And now I can figure out where the fuck does that shit come from. What is it called? Status bar? That was not what I intended to do. Right. Projects. But anyways. So we have key maps, we have lazy. Let's open up lazy. Let's ask. There is the clock at do a line, but instead of plugins. Yeah, okay, I guess status line is what I'm trying to do there. Adds daytime to let's see, I'm gonna close all these, that, and close that. I'm gonna go here. Lazy docs. Let's see. Do they have anything on that? What's it even called? Extra coding. There's AI? That's crazy. Anyways. UI configuration. General settings. Time. First Lua key. We are doing loaded at appropriate time. No. Timing animate. Okay. That I would like to get rid of. I don't like any form of animations, but don't. What is this? Okay. Plugins. It has to be one that has something to do with this damn times. Blur scheme. It's kind of like editor. No. Formatting. No. Timeout. Yeah. No. UI. Okay. For real? Sick. Okay, what the fuck? UI. Okay. I just want to say this at once. I can just go on with the thing. Date time. Lazy UI. There's nothing to do with date time. What about time? Tune. Lock. Sys. What the hell? That's No, I asked it earlier. I was pretty sure it was FG, but maybe I'm wrong. Right, search. And dear project. Like. SG. Okay. Time. But that's comp time, that's not. SG. Search grep. Let's see, SG.
I'm back. I've watched the entire video.
Alright, was it good?
I mean, it's alright.
It's alright.
Yeah, only thing I've learned is that I love Sig.
Yeah, like that's my. When I read about C++, I get the same vibe. Like I just love C. To be honest.
And I'm actually like mentally exhausted from hearing how bad C++ is. It
Do,
is.
do you know how I get rid of that damn stupid ass thing? Holy shit, this is pissing me off.
Are you still configuring the thing?
Yes, I'm actually like because
Lucas, it's been 3 days.
I know,
3 days.
but I need to get this so I can actually work with the damn thing. All right.
Yeah, maybe you should just
At least
rewrite it.
ZLS
in C++.
works here. All right. ZLS actually works.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's great. It works for me in VS Code.
Yeah, for me it
I
doesn't
added
work
like
in
one
VS
line
Code
of
for some
config.
dumbass reason. You fuck that shit.
Yeah, too bad.
But you know,
Yeah.
I'm getting there.
Yeah. But like, damn. I didn't know C++ was this bad. Probably the worst thing ever created by anyone.
Well,
Like name one thing that's worse than C++. I know what you're thinking, and the answer is no. C++ is definitely worse.
I would say so.
Yeah, it is though, because like think about how much suffering it has caused. It's like it's slow, you know.
If you had a choice to choose between Java or C++ to create a application, there ain't no way you would choose Java.
No, I would probably use C++, but I would just pretend it's C.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, but still, like you wouldn't.
Yeah, and then I just write C. So
Yeah, but you wouldn't still use
you see, the
Java.
only good thing about C++. No, probably. Well, it depends really. I probably not, but you know, it's like the only good thing in C++ is C. That's the only good thing. And still, that's pretty bad.
Well, lambda functions are pretty cool. Not gonna lie, they can capture the scope.
I
Alright.
mean, I guess, but they also have like so many issues. Damn.
How do I get, bro? How do I get rid of that damn timer at the bottom? Like I can get rid of it. Or that times. I don't want that timestamp. I just want.
But like, Lucas, literally name anything that is worse than C++.
Point casting in Zig.
What? No, bro. There's you have to do static cast in C++. Like, what is that even?
You can do still C casting inside of C++.
Yeah, sure, but then you have to have this long ass type.
Well, that's true.
Yeah. So no, I don't think so. Like, Zig's casting isn't the best, but at least it's like there for a reason. You know? And like, you kind of understand what's going on if you just look into it a bit. Like, C++ is just a mess, bro. It's like 50 trillion things going on.
Mm.
Yeah, I'll get some water, baby.
Yeah, I should also get. My water is like running. It's okay. My water is out. It's like I was about to say it's running low, but then I'm like, it is already out.
I didn't know your water could run. Anyways, baby.
Okay, now we're kind of getting into other territories, so I'm just gonna move this away to here so we have more room, because this is like... Let's see if it actually does work though. Source. I'm gonna grab some more water. Right, let's see. I'm just saying yes to everything it does, basically at this point. Like, yeah, sure, that looks good. Hmm. One day we will actually get to the programming part. uh,
I'm back.
Welcome back.
I have acquired water.
Oh, me too.
Yeah. Well, bro, you're sitting in the sink. Like, what do you mean?
What do you mean?
Bro, you live in like an apartment that's like 2 meters wide and 2 meters. Yes, 2 by 2 meters.
Nah, bro. I actually do kind of.
Yeah. You have like a bed, and then you have a sink, and, and then you have a desk, and you have your computer on that desk, and that's your apartment.
Yes.
Yeah, you like shit in the sink, you shower in the sink, yeah. You know what? I don't think you have a bed even. You probably just have a desk, a chair, and a sink.
Hey,
Like
come
you
on.
probably just sleep in the chair.
Well.
Yeah, bro. It's true.
Well.
I think I'm pretty right. It's like spot on, you know. I think my room is bigger than your apartment.
Well. Literally, my bed is almost in screen. Yeah, basically.
You should just put your camera up in like a corner of your room so you can just see like your entire apartment from the camera. So it's like super creepy. You should have it on 24/7 also.
Yes. Uh,
Stream,
ah.
stream, 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 stream,
Wait.
stream, 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 stream,
Okay,
cream,
okay.
cream,
Cream?
cream, cream,
Where's the cream sound
cream,
effect?
scream, scream, scream,
I scream.
scream.
You scream. We scream.
Ice screams. The person ice, you know.
They scream.
Oh no, Lucas. What is this timestamp shit you have on the right? No, why is it so like not aligned? It's horrendous. What is this? What has bro been cooking?
That's a different issue, alright?
Different issue. Yeah, like either you're seeding into the hardware or your terminal is like unaligned. Okay, man. I like that you have like OBJ and also tiny OBJ. Like you have two OBJ loaders. That's nice.
That's yeah, we have to.
Also, why do you even have the Explorer open on the left if you're just gonna search?
It opens by default. I didn't choose it. All right. And that's what I'm trying to do here right now. See. What the fuck? Yeah.
Like, what are you even trying to do?
Yo,
This looks awful.
You know what I'm trying to do is this. So I'm trying to fix the theme. All right. So I can do this now.
The theme, you say?
Yeah. So.
Yeah, that looks awful, bro. The
Thanks.
theme is awful. This is the worst theme I've ever seen, and code also.
Why am I getting all of these?
Because yes.
You probably don't want. It's probably trying to enable something you should not try to enable right now. Yo, what's up, D-Chef? What's up? How you doing, my friend?
Yo, T-Chef, I watched a 2-hour video about why C++ is bad.
Was it for a good video?
Yeah, C++ is bad.
What are you cooking in your new config?
Yeah.
I just want to make the theme work.
He's not cooking. He's not cooking. He's not cooking. Like, look, bro, go to your terminal. Like, your terminal is so bad. It's like unaligned.
But that's not new.
Like, look at this. Yeah, sure, but like, still, it's so bad. Also, why are you like showing so much information, man? Like, what's gonna be going on? Why do you need the timestamps?
It was there when I got it, alright, bro? I don't know, bro. This is not. I don't know.
Right.
Okay, this is not. This is not my doing, okay? You understand?
Sure, buddy. Also, your Nidovim theme is probably the worst theme I've ever seen.
Thank you.
It's worse than the VS Code one.
Well, yeah, that obviously it is because it's not done yet. Look at that.
You're not done? Yeah, I like this lime green that just like sticks inside of your eyes.
Yeah, that I can't do anything about it.
You can't? You sure about that one?
Yes. Okay, so
Really?
I'm trying to get this thing, right? See, this is why I did this. I can see that this is a type built in, right? So that means I can go in here and just go type built in, and then I should be able to just say, okay, remove this thing, right? And then we put something that should be like reddish, right? That should be kind of like pretty damn red. And then I refresh this. But it doesn't apply. You know why it doesn't apply? Because this damn type overrides it. So if I now put red on this thing. Oops, wrong button. Now it applies. But it's because this one is overriding that bullshit. And that's so fucking dumb. Like, how
Too
much...
bad. Also, I'm gonna send you a bunch of better colors.
No, you're not. I can't... I don't want...
No, I definitely am, because those colors are horrendous.
I want the F-32 to be blue, and then this thing to be green. But I cannot have it. Maybe I can... What is this? This is like variable... Variable member... Maybe I change variable member. Variable member to be... But why doesn't that one have priority? Can I do priorities on these things? Your new haircut? No, I don't have a haircut. It's what? I'm at my grandparents' place around, so I cannot come on. Bro, I need help actually to get just the normal colors working for Neovip because nothing. Ugh. Type build. But no, that doesn't work. I still think it's gonna fix it. That does not work. To assign priority. PK got to go now. See ya. Alright. Oh wait, you can do a priority? You can do a priority. If this works, then
Yo, Lucas, I'll send you a good color for types.
Oh god, it broke the whole thing. That why can I not? Right, I'm moving the wrong thing. So priority does not exist. Let's see, string. What even is the issue? I don't even know what the issue. Damn. I don't know what you're gonna send me, but I think it's gonna be bad. Types. So you cannot have priority. Amazing.
Trust me, bro, these colors are banger.
Okay, that's not too bad for types. But keywords pink? What?
Trust me, bro. Trust me, bro. Trust me. Unless this like also does it for PubConst, which it doesn't do for me. But if it does it, okay, well, wait, did you put in the colors that I gave you?
Not yet. How can I give
Okay, that's why it looks so shit.
apparently what is it called? That's a apparently will be colors no matter. Rearrange.
Rearrange Range is one word, I believe. At
It
all.
is, but we don't care. Okay, we can try yours in the meantime. Types will be that. Bam. And then we'll take keywords. Do I have a keyword already? A keyword's here. Just
Well, you can just probably. I don't know if this is gonna do it for like function also, because then it will look shit. But like I have it for returns and like some stuff like that. Okay, now that looks shit because it's does it for all the keywords. Yeah, no, I wouldn't.
I
wouldn't
guess
use
you
that
have to
one.
be specific if you want to do it like this.
Yeah, I would probably just have it for like I have it for like while loops, return, continue, break, you know, those kind of things.
What do you
Uh,
Oh, it's gorgeous, damn. Okay, I can agree with you. Okay, with
yes.
conditional, and so we put the pink in here. Like this. Oh, that's not how we do it. Let me take the pink again. So repeat, that should be the for loop, right? I think. I did it too quick of a refresh. It wasn't.
I'll also send a pretty good one for strings for you.
Okay, that's fine. Conditionals. Do I even have any ifs in this whole damn code? There it is. If. Didn't. Oh wait, what's meant for that? Exceptions. Oh wait, but I can literally, bro, I can do this. Yeah. So this is, no, that is a conditional. Why is it not up? Did I not? I did update it. But apparently something else is then taking precedence on it. But that's weird because there is nothing else that is associated. Well, keyword in itself, but. Strings. This for const var pub. Yeah, I wish I could just get them like for real. Let's see, strings
Yeah.
here. Oh, nice. That's actually what I wanted for strings. That's really nice. Functions. Okay, let's see. We should have there.
Yes, trust me on this one, bro. You see, my colors are pretty banger. I don't know. It looks a bit funky for you, but it's probably just because the background is so high contrast.
Yeah, no, I want it to
But
be hardcore.
it's yeah, because you want to murder your eyes.
I don't know. It didn't do the thing for the. Oh, what is it supposed to be? That function thing. I think I'm just gonna start removing. There's like methods, bro. I'm just gonna remove anything that I don't know what it's meant for and just add them as I go. Because I'm like, okay, I don't know this one, I don't know that one. This one was supposed to be that, I don't know this, I don't know that. Strings we do know, documentation we do know, import we do know, comment we do know, to do, number, boolean, constant, those we do know, constant built-in, currently didn't work, operator, just gonna remove, field.
Oh wait, no, for operator I have a good one.
Okay, but we'll add it then manually afterwards. Then there's like a lot of these ones. Maybe we'll just remove them also. Okay, let's see. I'm just gonna do a refresh on all of this now because this is getting like I think that's why I'm having a hard time trying to even. Oh God. It's just so hard to just like. Can I just get the basic?
Yeah, I sent you some more things also. Not gonna lie, I would probably recommend having imports just as the same color as types, but you do whatever.
Okay, now it should update the functions call or the functions. Why does it make them red? With your thing?
It's no, it's because you see function and function call are different.
Ah. Still, it's there red there. Why are they still red? No, there's literally nothing else that could
Yeah.
override it. Or?
That's weird because like for me they're like yellow. Oh, maybe it's method.
No, it's considered these ones to be function call, variable member, and variable. But I don't have any variable stuff, so why would it consider it to be that? Language sig. Could I just like why doesn't it just work? Like what the fuck? If I override these things, they should override it, right? Like why is it not being overwritten? Anyways, we're gonna take this one. Variable, we're gonna do at variable, right? Variables, bro. What? Variable, and then you had there. And of course it didn't update it. Why did it not update it? Okay, I'm gonna just re-up. Why won't it just load those? Okay, there's a variable member I could also use of make use of. That member member. Still doesn't update. And now I'm using both of them. You're doing everything right, but continues overriding you after you override, which is your color based on your cover group 3-0 groups its own 3-0 overrides after your custom highlights. You okay, right? So you see it not okay. So to force override, place them in. Wait, instead of placing them in config head. What? This after using example, okay. Then reload, or if you create auto. Okay. Hmm. Okay. I'm just gonna take all of this and let that thing, the intern, move all of it. I'm just gonna. My work.
Yo, because while the AI is cooking, you can look at my stream and you can see my theme to get inspiration.
All right.
Are you watching?
I am watching.
I should disable push talk because you don't like it.
Yeah, I hate it. Disgusting.
Why do the settings look so scuffed? What is this? Okay, anyways. Yes.
Not enough
This is-
contrast.
Yeah, I don't know what happened to this actually. These are supposed to be like this purple, you see. But anyways, I kinda like faded colors, you know. But yeah, it's alright. I don't know what happened to these ones because these ones are, I don't know if this code like updated and now the icons look so scuffed and this, I need to fix this.
Wait. I think it's cooking, alright? So it's changing.
Mm.
Okay, let's see. Yes, do that. Let's see if it actually does work, or if not, then I'm gonna cry. I just want a theme that I can easily change, and then I can just be happy. You know? And I can actually get to the coding, because it's like, it's kind of annoying to just right now try to do any coding when I don't know oh, well, I mean, it's kind of, okay, yeah, but you know, like I just want the themes to be there. So now it should have moved things away, and if I now do a reload, I think it made it worse. Now it's not even applying my changes. Now my things are not being considered at all. That's fantastic. Wait, where did the highlights go? Right. So it's supposedly. Oh no. Oh no. Wait, what? Okay, it got removed. Lol. Claude died. Yeah, so now nothing works. Great.
Not gonna lie, Lucas. I think high contrast looks awful.
I don't think so. I love high. I don't.
It's terrible.
Oh, this is so awful if I have to do it like this every damn time.
You know, I think the solution is just not using high contrast.
No. That's not gonna be there.
Also, why does Nevim not use like CSS?
That's a fucking great question.
Because CSS is like, sure, it's not the best thing, but like for config stuff, it's generally like agreed upon. Like, they should really not be using Lua for this, but well, like JSON or CSS or anything, bro, anything.
Still doesn't. I don't understand this like bullshit. Why is it so fucking impossible to just customize the colors you want to use and just overwrites them all the time? Like, just don't do it, please. Let me just have my custom things, bruh.
Too bad.
And I don't want to do it through this auto mod stuff because that's just. Please. Oh, or auto mod, auto commands. I can't even talk, bro. This is. No. No, remove. CMBs.
Why don't you just make a for loop?
What do you mean?
Lua has for loops, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you make an array with the config, and you can use do this Nevim set h1.
Move auto and Put all back to color scheme. Nope. Nope. Let's see here. What do they do for or used enable trouble telescope leader stars recipes coding color scheme. But where do I do custom? Laser beam, custom color scheme. Just load the damn thing that I'm telling you to. But why won't it just like... Oh, okay. So now we should have it back in here, yeah. Why is it so damn like... I just want colors! It's so damn fucking too much to ask for, Jesus Christ. I swear, this is bullshit, so bullshit. In lazy beam, can I make variable names with a different color? It's just selection highlight, not what I was looking for. It's hallucinating. Okay, this I could actually try. We actually do have access to it in here. Color scheme. Know what all of those things are about, but that's okay. Because here we do this, right? Color scheme. Options. Let's try this. Nothing. This is so damn retarded. Why? Why can't I not just do that? Shouldn't be that hard to just change the damn color of a damn variable name, for real. That shouldn't be that hard. Why can it just not do it? Why? Change theme colors. All I want to do, just change the damn theme colors. Default. I want my custom colors. Default. Okay, I'm gonna try that. Yeah, that won't work then with the reloading, I think, but we'll see. I don't know what happened now. How it happened. Because now it's completely ignored everything. Why? So damn fucking annoying. Wait, what are these? But there is colors. Interesting. Anyways. Handles the styles of general high group C. This sucks so much ass. Yeah, I mean, custom colors. Please tell me that. Custom colors new. Thank you. Please tell
What
me.
is up, my NeoVim friends? Today, I'm going to show you how to set your color scheme in NeoVim and show you a few tips and tricks and some awesome color themes that I've picked up along the way. Let's jump into it. All right, we're here at the terminal, and we need to make sure that we have a terminal or a terminal emulator that has true colors enabled. And that means that it has the full spectrum of all different colors. And the one that I'm using here is Kitty. This is where my NVIM configuration directory is. This is where it is, which is going to be your main file. And then Lua, which is going to be where all your plugins go in. And this will load all of your different plugins. We'll get to that in a minute. But right now, what we want to do, go into our hacker. And so mine is inside of Lua. And so if we open up NVIM here, and this is our default color scheme. So we don't have any nice colors set up. So if we go into Lua, exosiphon, and then you should have a packer Lua, and you'll notice some highlighting, and I'm getting all of this from TreeSitter. You also want to install a plugin that has TreeSitter support, so you get some nice highlighting and you don't have to configure it all yourself. So we're going to install a theme called Grubbox, and I'll put this link in the description. Essentially, you can have a dark or a light mode. Both look really awesome, and they're inspired by the Solarize theme and many others like Jelly Bean. You can set this explicitly in some of the configuration options, but for us, since my OS is configured to use dark mode, it's going to default to dark mode. There's other ways you can configure differently, so just check in the configuration. All right, we're going to want to grab this line right here to use Grubbox because we're using Packer. We come back over here, then we can go down to this line and paste. Now we want to save this file and source it, so we can do SO to source the file. This will let us get access to this Packer sync command, and this will then install, and you should see the install happening here, and this line where it installed correctly. Quit that, and then if we do color scheme and Grubbox, success. So we needed to install our color scheme and then use this color scheme command to set our color scheme for us. Now the problem with this is if we quit Vim and we go back into it, then we again don't see to after plugin, because this is how you can customize or get some specific here. You're gonna want to add this command here where it says Vim command and themes, but you'll want to create a file called colors.lua. And here, you're gonna want to add this command here where it says Vim command and color scheme Grubbox. You save this file and we quit out of NeoVim now. If we go back in, we should see that our color scheme has now stayed. It'll stay this way every time that we open up NeoVim. Success. Now that you know how to install one theme, there's a ton of other themes, and I'll link this in the description. This article by Alpha2Fi shows all these different themes with TreeSitter support. And so one of the, and if you just update the color scheme there, then you can change which one into the different themes here. We can see that there's a, and we go into Lua line, and we should see our Lua line also have this grub to export into whatever format you want so that you aren't dependent on Lush, and it'll export as like a Lua table or Vim script or any other format. And so if you really want to dig into creating your own theme, I would highly recommend this. And what this is going to do is get you to define all the colors for different highlight groups. And so default words in your editor, TreeSitter keywords, or and like file Lua line. In here, I've commented out our theme, so let's just bring that back. And if we source our
Not what I was searching for. Our tutorial.
Hey there, we're just friends on the internet. I've been missing this past week. And today I thought, well, back there, here, you're gonna get something like this. You're gonna have your init Lua here, just here in the Lua folder. I'm gonna make a new one, and let's call this, so this is gonna be the .lua file. And there we go, let's folders that my team is gonna have here. If you're having a hard time, like a BG here and F schemes, there's a bunch of sites out there like, you know what you can even do? You can even Studio Ghibli icon here, variable. So when we actually return this out, it likes that we're essentially to reapply specifically on the vim.g. And now we are ready to apply the colors. But what we're gonna do to make it a little bit, is called let's not invoke it here. And instead, what we're gonna do, so I'm gonna do some back color. So now that this is applied on it, and each of them.
I mean, it shouldn't be like, I swear to fuck. Why can I do it on some and some of them I cannot do it? That's so dumb. That shouldn't be the case. Like some things work, some things doesn't work. That's the most stupidest thing I ever heard. Ever done. Ever heard, lol. Haha. I don't get it. It has to be overwritten somehow. I don't know even where this is being called from. It's literally just a thing. I don't know. I want to get to actual coding, but I need to get these types colored correctly before I start coding. Like I cannot, otherwise it's so hard to understand what's a function and what's not. Oh my god. Okay, that is at least fine. But yeah, these member variables, please just become that color. Instead of these weird ass bitches. Why won't it just update it at foreground? Am I just using the wrong keyword? Render. Now do .sig. What to say? Well, I'm not gonna touch any other languages almost, so well I will, but primarily I will work with Sig, and Sig is the one I care about. The other ones can do somewhat okay. Okay, but interesting, it did work if I did the background. So BG is equal to, and then I can do a hashtag FF0000, that should be a red. Yeah, okay. Interesting. Okay, so now it took even a step further. Let me try if I just... what happens if I do this? Right? And then we're just gonna do... We're gonna remove this. I did say. So is that just a happy coincidence? I don't know how these ones have actually good colors now, because I thought it was because I made them, so... It's like there's a hidden file, so... Oh, okay, now they're not updated. Great. So there's something that has a higher priority. Nice. Increase. Okay, but we can see here. Oh my fucking god. So there I have. Why is it? I'm trying to read that. What if I just highlight it? Okay. Is it lower priority that makes it more important, or higher priority?
Higher. Yeah.
3.0 internal priority is
That's how
normal.
English
New
works.
merges, highlights groups, and user. Yes, you can increase the priority when the 3.0 is correct. Directly said you write the highlights group. Okay. Right. But then I don't know if I can see the changes. We'll see, we'll see. Color scheme. Bro, you are retarded. Okay, sure. We'll do it there. See how that goes. Didn't do shit. I don't know what is that color supposed to be anyways. Well, it's not supposed to be that what it is right now. This is awesome. I don't want to try to type anymore. I Why is it so damn hard just to get a stupid custom theme color? Like, it shouldn't be this damn ugly fucking hard. Why? Can I not just... I have tried like 3 different, probably more than 3 approaches, and still it doesn't. Like, why is it being overwritten? Okay, it's getting that... It's fine. If this... Yes, do that. Okay. I don't know if... I probably have to do this now in order to see the changes. If there are any. Nope. Still doesn't do shit. Useless piece of shit. Why can I not just... Why? Who is overriding them? Actually just... What the fuck? I thought I was here. Don't know why it's asking me that all the time. Oh yeah, because I had some issues with GitHub, and then I changed to SSH instead of HTTP. HTTP. Your will be FF. Okay. Okay. So this one seems to be somewhat working. Maybe. I don't know if it actually does. Did it actually? I don't think it did. Fuck me. Full screen default. Let's take something simple. This thing. It's type. We'll yank it, paste it, we'll do type. Big, small, lowercase, type, and we'll just make it red. Right, I'm reloading the wrong theme. I should not open this through here, but is it at the bottom? What the fuck? There it is. Do I just say reload default now, or what do I say? Because they called it default, but I'm like, then we're git cloning or git cloning, I don't know if that's a full Tokyo night. Yeah, so it was Tokyo night. Let's see. This one still has the old one. Now it should be up to date. Please be red. Okay, maybe it does work. It was just the theme was a bitch. I'm telling you guys. Okay, Harold. What? Let's see now if it actually works. I'm gonna take you over to this side and we're gonna try all of your colored schemes stuff again. So types would be this. And now I should be able to, as soon as it says that it's done, reloading. I pressed the wrong button. Require at least one plugin. Okay, so it didn't actually get the plugin, damn it. Okay, let's see, what did it say? Tokyo Night, lazy reload Tokyo Night. That should have been it. Maybe it needs to be default. Default. Or is it capital D for default? Or actually it's full key. Full key. I can actually try it. Lazy reload full key. Okay, that's not it. Lazy reload default now. Bruh. Okay, that seems to be it. Reload. So I need to say the Tokyo night. Okay, what's it? Tokyo night. That new him. New him. And then is it just color scheme? Default. Okay, that's not it. Color, I need to say color scheme. Tokyo night. We'll see. We'll go with that for now. I think it's just easier for me to go. What it is. Okay. So, and then okay, let's see keywords. I'm gonna yank, paste. Bro, what I'm doing. At keywords, I think it's just called that. It's not like that. And now it should, or at least one plugin. That should be lazy load Tokyo night. Reloading Tokyo night. Color scheme Tokyo night. Don't know. It should be alright. Tokyo night, yes, okay, that's why. Okay. Okay. So then we should be able, if I go, for example, to here, let's take types. Types will be an easy thing to see if it actually applies or not. It does apply now, great. Back. Awesome. Okay. And then we should be able to do strings. Strings. Or is it called string? I have no idea what it is, but it will break if it doesn't work, alright? Okay, it seems to, or unless if I have to do color scheme. Okay, then let's throw a string. Ah. Okay, that now it seems to be correct. Yes, now it applied it. Oh wait, bruh. Okay, we're getting there, Harold. Slowly but surely. Then there is const and public and these kind of things, which they are called keyword, just keyword. Okay, I think we'll have to, we'll get to it, keyword. And those things are just that. I would prefer to maybe have them a little bit more blue than you actually have the keywords to be.
Yeah, it's probably just because you're high contrast film, you know.
Yeah,
So it
that
looked
might-
kind of weird.
That's true. But I like high contrast.
Yeah. Also, why are your variables also green? That just look awful.
I haven't gotten to the
With all this
variables.
green.
Fuck, I fucked up. I'm maybe a bit too Maybe a little bit brighter. Oh no, now I'm making them pink. That's maybe a bit too bright now. We will go with that for now. Functions. I think for that we're gonna open up Vulkan and go to the image buffer, for example, and we're gonna see here that if you call init this thing, that they are called function. So add function. Paste that and then add function. It's not function. Nah. I was a bit too fast, wasn't I? No, that's fine. That's fine. And then operators. That's like... What is considered an operator for you?
Plus, equals, minus.
Okay. Yeah, okay, just operator.
Yeah.
Can I? No, I cannot. Of course I cannot.
Well, like exclamation mark is an operator in Sig technically.
Yeah, I think they are also like...
Just like, you know, that kind of syntax. Not like control flow.
let's see. Okay. It's not too bad. I think it's aight. It's aight.
Yeah, I don't really have it for equals or any of that. I only have it for like dots and exclamation marks and question marks.
Variables.
But yeah, I don't know. You do whatever you want.
Of course I do whatever I want.
Yeah, I know you. I can't really stop you.
People have tried.
Yeah, they sure have.
I don't think it... What the f... Okay, so... That was a bit funny. No, come on. The only thing... I should have tried this first of all. To get the variables working, because the variables didn't work. They just... Why do they fucking force me to use their dog poop variable? Fucking piece of shit in every theme I try to use. I don't want to use them. Oh, this is awful. This is so goddamn awful.
This film is awful. This looks like absolute shit. I've never seen a worse film than this.
Am I misspelling variable? Please tell me. No, I'm not misspelling variable. And I cannot just make it the color I would like to have it. It's just like, no, fuck you. You ain't getting shit.
Maybe look online to see other people's
Oh, I have
thingies.
tried.
Maybe it's- Oh, okay.
I could add a .sig after. And maybe hope for something. Nope. It just forces me to use their shitty ass bullshit. Come on. Why? Just let me have the damn colors that I want, not this ugly. Ugly. Why? Force me to do this. Actually, shouldn't they have a little bit? Okay, I'm gonna do inspect. Maybe I can find some more information. Let's see. There is variable. Am I mistyping variable? No, I'm not. Ver I able. Yes. Semantic LSP. I don't know, I'm desperate. Whoa. I'm gonna yank. Paste that, and where the fuck did the shit go? I don't know what I copied, but it seemed like I copied anything. Inspect. I'll take that. Yank that. Put it in there. Save that. Still. Oh man. Right, I'm gonna try it, you know. Still, it's fucking. Teresa does not use, or that's fine. Oh, I can force it. Okay, let's try that. That sounds like something I wanna do. Nope, still nothing. Wait, what? It didn't. Ha ha ha. I hate that it adds it to the clipboard after I'm done with it. It's like, don't do that. Did I take one too many? Oops. The highlight seems to work though. Which is
Yeah,
interesting.
anyways, it's kind of late, and this day has not been a very good day, so I'm probably gonna go to sleep.
What do you mean has been? It's been good. All right, but good night.
No, man, I've been cooked. But yes, good night.
How is that considered the same thing? It apparently is. How do you build it? For now, I did not see in there. Oh. Okay. 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 I didn't think that LSP could actually do that. Well, now I know. Is this Norminate proof code? Hey, shush. we don't we don't Norminate anymore. All right. That is not. That's no. Uh, so it seems like okay. This is actually like what we won't be using anymore. So we'll be using these things, right? So I just changed this to a 9C instead. Bam! Look at that! There we go. Let's see. I don't know why it's doing that, but sure. Let's see, what is this thing called? It's called a constant. Let's see, should I have added? Where did it add it? Highlights. Oh. Remove the I file. That thing. Color. Well, I could actually remove it. It's faster if I do it removing, to be honest, because this thing is whatever. Well, sure. It won't really matter, but So now, if I do refresh, there they are. Those are okay imports. I think I'm gonna give some bluish color for that. For constants. I don't think there is a plural keyword. Then we're gonna do constant. Constant. I want something bluish. Let's try this. That's all right. Let's see. These are function parameters. Yellow is not too bad, to be honest. Let's see. They are variable parameter. What the fuck is this then? That's just a boolean. I think I want though the null operator. I saw null here. Null operator. What the fuck am I talking about? Constant built-in. Whoa. Built in. Let's make that one. I mean, it's null. Take this. What the fuck? Yeah. And then this one is a conditional. Keyword conditional. And that one, I think I would like to have some pink stuff. I think it was this I wanted to use. Ah, shit, I'm about to forget the hashtag. Was it too fast? No, I didn't just type it right. Keyword at conditional. Doesn't seem to update. Okay. Inspect. Ah. It's probably because of this thing as well. We'll try it. No. Oh shit. I mean, it did the right thing, but fuck. As let's see, I'm gonna take a little bit. Ah, come on. Yeah, I cannot use that one though. Because that gets a higher priority over these ones. Those ones I don't want to be. Let's see, they probably tell something about adding this. Yes, cannot do that though. Good. Instead, preferred use the one overrides. Or can I increase the priority? Let's see. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna give this to here. Actually take them. What would be the if Boolean also I think could be pink. Yeah, let's let the AI cook first. What did it want me to do? Oh no, it broke. Anyways. Lua color scheme, O word, LSP, semantics, conditional keyword. I mean, if it works, that would be great. But I have a feeling that it won't. Delete it. Okay. I don't think it. Oh man. Okay, it's back to normal. So can I now? But it's still not pink. How do I get the... Oh, look at this one first. Inspect. This one is using keyword. Let's be type keyword. No, that's not property. At keyword. I'm just trying to see keyword. Okay, it might be because of this. Wait, what is it now using? Yeah, what? Right. It's using... If keyword is disabled, there's nothing else it can use for color, so that's kind of a yikes. But actually, what I could do is this. Still didn't apply. Or did it? I cannot, I'm not even next to an if. No, it's still not. I guess it's fine. At least I can work with this. I think I will leave it there. I think tomorrow we can actually continue on to work. And yeah. I mean, I'm getting kind of comfortable. Where is... I think I'm using... I'm missing kitty. Where is the kitty? Come on. Probably are still in here, right? City kitty. Yes. Kitty config. Okay, here, let's see. I would like to, what is the zoom? Cursor, front, model space, margin, tab. Font size. Oh, so it's just the font size that changes it by default. Okay, that's a bit small. Maybe we can go with 10, 12, 11. that will be it. We will tomorrow. We'll actually continue on with. I think this is fine. This I can look at and work with. Maybe it's a bit too blue, but okay. There's those things could still change a little bit, but I will change as times goes on because that then it will make more sense. But that will be it. All right. I will do a little bit of cleaning, but yeah, then I will head now. I'm done. Sleeping time. Bye bye, everybody.